All right, buckle up because today we're diving headfirst into some cutting-edge AI research.
Really fascinating stuff.
We're talking about a potential game changer,
Yeah.
the DIFF Transformer.
You can think of this as like a major upgrade
Huh?
to the AI systems we're all getting used to, things like ChatGPT.
Right.
We're talking about making them not just smarter, but significantly more focused
Okay.
in how they process information.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit.
Yeah.
So these large language models, or LLMs, they're already pretty good, right?
Wow.
They can write poems, answer questions, even code websites.
Yeah.
What's the problem they're trying to solve with this DIFF Transformer?
Basically, it's all about cutting through the noise.
Okay.
Imagine
Yeah.
you're trying to find a specific piece of information online,
Right.
but every search result throws a million irrelevant things at you.
Okay.
That's kind of what current LLMs struggle with. They get bogged down by all the data.
Kind of like trying to have a conversation at a loud concert, you know?
Exactly.
You know the information is out there, but it's hard to focus on the important bits.
Exactly. This new research introduces DIFF Transformer,
Okay.
an AI architecture designed to fix that very problem.
So how does it actually work? What makes DIFF Transformers so different?
It uses a clever mechanism called differential attention.
Okay.
Think of it like
Yeah.
noise-canceling headphones. But for AI,
Right.
instead of one, it uses two attention systems
Okay.
and cleverly compares them.
Okay.
This comparison helps to isolate the important information
Right.
while canceling out the noise of irrelevant data.
Two sets of ears, so to speak.
Yeah,
Each picking up on different aspects.
exactly,
And then the system figures out what's really important.
exactly.
That's fascinating.
It's a very elegant solution, and the research paper actually draws an analogy to differential amplifiers in electrical engineering,
Okay.
if you're familiar.
Hold on, let's make sure everyone's on board here.
Sure.
Can you break down that analogy a bit?
Yeah, so in electrical engineering,
Okay.
differential amplifiers are used to amplify the difference between two input signals
Okay.
while rejecting any signals that are common to both.
Okay.
Essentially, they're designed to eliminate noise.
Right.
And that's essentially what DIFF Transformer does with information.
Okay.
It amplifies the differences between two analyses of the data,
Right.
which helps it zero in on the most important parts and disregard the rest.
Okay, so it's like having two AI assistants reading the same information.
Yeah.
But one highlights the important stuff, while the other highlights the distractions.
Right.
Then DIFF Transformer comes in and says,
Exactly.
okay, I'm going to focus on what the first assistant found interesting.
That's a great way to put it.
Yeah, that's a really clever way to think about it.
Yeah.
But does it actually work?
Right.
Does DIFF Transformer live up to the hype?
Well, that's what makes this research so compelling. They actually put it to the test,
Okay.
and the results are really impressive.
Okay.
Across the board, DIFF Transformer outperformed traditional models.
Okay.
And not just by a small margin.
Right.
We're talking like significant improvements
Wow.
in accuracy and efficiency.
So it's not just about doing the same things better.
Right.
It's about pushing the boundaries of what AI can even do.
Absolutely.
Okay.
One of the most exciting findings
Yeah.
was its ability to handle like much larger chunks of text.
Okay.
Current LLMs might get bogged down processing like a few paragraphs.
Right.
But DIFF Transformer can handle up to 64,000 words.
64,000 words.
Yeah.
That's practically a short novel.
I know, it's pretty amazing.
What kind of real-world impact can we expect to see from like a breakthrough like this? I mean, it sounds amazing in theory,
Yeah.
but how does it translate into something I might actually use?
Well, imagine asking a virtual assistant
Okay.
a complex question that requires, deep understanding of multiple long documents.
Right.
This technology could revolutionize how we search for and process information.
No more sifting through pages of irrelevant search results.
Yeah.
Sign me up for that, definitely.
And remember those AI hallucinations we talked about earlier?
Yeah.
Where an AI might like confidently give you incorrect information
Right.
or even like make stuff up.
Yeah, definitely not ideal.
Yeah, especially if you're relying on that information for something important.
Right.
Well,
yeah.
because DIFF Transformer is so good at filtering out noise
Right.
and focusing on the relevant fact,
Mhm.
it's far less prone to this kind of error.
Okay.
So you get more reliable, accurate information.
So not just smarter and faster,
Right,
but more trustworthy as well.
exactly.
Okay, now that's something I can get behind. Are there any other potential applications that have you excited?
Yeah, there's one more I have to mention: in-context learning. Think of it as AI's ability to learn on the fly.
So instead of needing like tons of pre-programmed knowledge,
Right.
it can sort of adapt and pick up new information in the moment, just from the context of what it's working on.
Exactly. And DIFF Transformer is remarkably good at this.
Okay.
We're talking about AI assistants that can actually understand and integrate new information
Wow.
as they encounter it,
Okay.
constantly learning and becoming more helpful over time.
That's a game changer.
It is.
It's like having an AI that grows and learns alongside you, becoming more personalized
Well,
and
yeah.
intuitive
Exactly.
the more you use it.
Exactly.
So we've got more accurate, more efficient,
Yeah.
more adaptable AI on the horizon, huh?
It's really incredible.
It's incredible to think how quickly this field is advancing.
Yeah, definitely.
What else did the researchers uncover about the potential of DIFF Transformer?
Well, this is where things get really interesting.
Okay.
The paper suggests that this technology could actually change how we design hardware for AI.
Okay, now we're getting to some next level stuff.
Yeah.
Explain what you mean.
Okay, so right now, AI hardware is all about raw processing power.
Okay.
Bigger, faster, more powerful.
Yeah.
But DIFF Transformer,
Yeah.
with its focus on targeted attention,
Right.
could lead to a completely different approach.
Okay.
We're talking about hardware specifically optimized for this new kind of AI architecture.
Right.
Imagine like
Yeah.
chips and systems
Mhm.
designed from the ground up
Okay.
to support these dual attention mechanisms,
Right.
maximizing their efficiency and performance.
So it's not just about software anymore.
Right.
It's about a fundamental shift in how we think about AI
Exactly.
from the silicon up.
Yeah.
That's a pretty profound implication.
It is.
Yeah.
It really is.
Wow. So
Yeah.
this research is like
Yeah.
a glimpse into a future where AI isn't just about
Right.
brute force computation.
It's about intelligent,
Yeah.
focused processing.
Right. Imagine the possibilities.
Exactly.
Faster, more powerful AI
Yeah.
that uses less energy
Mhm.
and resources.
Absolutely.
And ultimately AI that's more aligned with how we as humans think
Right.
and process information.
It's about quality over quantity when it comes to data,
Right.
focusing on what's truly relevant.
That brings us to the heart of why this research is so exciting.
Yeah.
It's not just an incremental improvement, right?
It's a potential paradigm shift
Yeah.
in the world of artificial intelligence.
It's a reminder that we're still in the early days of AI development,
Yeah.
and breakthroughs like this
Hmm.
have the potential to, reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine.
Absolutely.
That's what makes this field so captivating.
The possibilities are truly limitless.
Well, that's about all the time we have for today's deep dive.
Yeah, this was a good one.
If you're as intrigued by the potential of DIFF Transformer as we are,
Mm-hmm.
be sure to check out the full research paper. It's linked in the show notes.
Definitely.
It's a fascinating read,
It is.
even if you don't have,
Yeah.
a deep technical background.
It's a great example of how cutting-edge research can be both groundbreaking and accessible.
Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of AI.
Appreciate it.
Until next time.